welcome back to Ivy Space. So today we at Walmart, and while I was at Walmart I saw some of the amazing outdoor spring collection that I wanted to film for you guys so that you guys can see. If you're planning to add some new furniture for your outdoor space for this coming spring and summer, Walmart had amazing and gorgeous outdoor collection. They also had barbecues, like they were really nice. So I was just going to Walmart just to show you guys some of the nice outdoor chairs, tables, plant, and what is it called, uh, pot. And I hope you guys love this video. If today is your first time on clicking on my video, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate. Push the subscribe button down below, push the notification bell, share this video with your friends and family, and join this shopping channel. So over here I make videos on shopping, cooking, cleaning, home decor, and things like that. So I'm based here in Toronto, Canada, and I film all the stuff here in Toronto. So most of the stores that I visit are Walmart, Home Sense, Marshall, Winners, Dollarama, Dollar Tree, things like stores like that. That is the stores that I go to. If you're interested in other stores that I haven't filmed yet, leave a comment down below, and I'll be really happy to check some of those new stores out. So here at Walmart, as I mentioned before, they had amazing gorgeous collection when it comes to like outdoor tables for your nice gardening, patios, and things like that. And I think the prices were really nice, because looking at this set of chairs and tables, look at how gorgeous this look for 7 something. They have so many collection and different styles, and their price range was not that bad depending on what you are looking for. They also had nice barbecue stove, barbecue that you can select from. I think they haven't brought all their stuff out yet, but the ones that I was seeing so far, especially this one, oh my goodness, I was loving this particular one. I wish I could have this in my backyard. I know spring is around the corner and people are looking into setting up their backyard, their patios, and things like that. I would really want to have that particular one that I showed before. They also have pillows that you can use to decorate and style your patios, your backyard, and things like that. Me, I love to plant during spring. So you want to plant, start planting or start preparing if you love to plant. Like for me, I love to plant. I love roses, I love flowers. Every spring I tend to like plant new flowers in my backyard. I don't really have a big backyard, but the little space that I have, I really love to make them look really nice and comfortable for me, especially during spring and summer. Those are my 2 favorite seasons, and I like to enjoy those seasons. So I like to shop for things like that. They also have really nice fire pits here at Walmart. The ones that I was seeing, I were like, wow, they were really nice. But the thing is, for me, I don't have a fire pit in my backyard. I think you will really need a big backyard to have a fire pit. Guys, leave a comment down below if you have a fire pit in your backyard. If you live in an apartment, can you have a fire pit in the backyard? And some of the barbecue stuff that I found here at Walmart, they had a really nice apartment size barbecue stuff that you can buy for your apartment. I was in shock because they were really cute, really nice. You guys are going to see them later on. So they also have really nice outdoor plant pot that you can use. This particular one, it looks so real, but it's plastic. this one for only 10, let's just say $11. They had this in blue and they also had it in red, and I was really liking it, and they look like real plant. They didn't look like plastic. They also have this black plant pot holder at Walmart, very inexpensive. And yeah, so they have a lot of cute pot here at Walmart that are very inexpensive if you're looking to decorate your outdoor space, your backyard and things like that. And yes guys, I hope you guys love this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, let me know some of the stuff that you like me to film in the store. I decided to film this section here at Walmart because I know spring is coming up and a lot of us are planning to plant, and a lot of us are planning to renovate, redecorate, redesign our backyard, our patio for those nice season that is coming up. They also have some of their seeds, like flower seed, fruit, if you like to plant fruit and things like that, vegetable in your garden. They have all these things out right now at Walmart, and their prices are really reasonable. They have the soil out already. If you're planning to plant new flowers, new stuff in your garden, in your backyard, even in your balcony, Walmart has some of the stuff out already. You want to go check them out and see some of the stuff that you might need. For me, I'm planning to plant new flowers. I know I have flowers every year. I plant new flowers. I know somebody told me to buy the seasonal plant. I do have seasonal plant. The thing is, like, always forget to bring them in winter. Not forget, I don't love to bring those plant in winter because I don't know where to store them inside the house, so I tend to leave them outside. So during winter they die. I think the cold is just too much for them. Guys, if I'm doing something wrong with those plants, because these plants, like the seasonal plants, are really expensive and I tend to buy them every year. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. If I can leave them outside, what I can do to protect them, please leave a comment down below to advise me. So these are some of the barbecue stuff that I found at Walmart. Look at this super gorgeous one. This was really super gorgeous. Like, I was like, wow, you have to have a big backyard to have this on. Like, you have to have a lot of family members or a lot of parties for you to have something like this. For me, I have a barbecue in my backyard, but I barely use it, guys. I barely use my barbecue stuff like this. But if you're somebody who likes to make those stuff, I think Walmart is a great way to check right now, because look at this, guys. Just take a look at this beauty. Like, take a look at this. Look at how gorgeous and how nice it is. You also have a side where you can put your pot, and if you're planning to like make soup or any other thing, there is a place that you can put your pot while your barbecue is going. You can put your pot and start making other stuff there. So guys, I hope you guys love this video. Leave a comment down below some of your plan for your backyard, your patio. If you're planning to add new furniture, new stuff to your patio, please share it down below. And also, if you have a YouTube channel where you decorate and design or do things like that, leave a comment down below so that we can also share your channel out and see how we can decorate and design our own backyard and patio. So guys, this was one of my favorite one over there. I have to say, I really love this particular one. It was $3.99 or $3.88, but it was around $400, and I have to say, I really love this one. I would really want to have that one in my backyard this coming spring and summer. So yeah, these are some of the barbecue stuff that I saw at Walmart for apartment. Like, this particular one was really cute. If you are living in an apartment, and you can go ahead and check Walmart out for some of this stuff. I think this was really cute. And yes guys, I'm going to let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below and I will be so happy to see some of your comment. Thank you so much for always watching and supporting my channel. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.